Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope and pray that you all are safe at your homes. Today, we are going to continue with lesson number 2 of class 4, second part, that is the respiratory system. Students, have you wondered what happens to the digested food carried to different parts of the body by the blood that we studied in the digestive system? That digested food combines up with the oxygen from the air we breathe in. In this reaction, you can see when oxygen and food combine, they form carbon dioxide, water vapor, and energy. We use this energy and throw out carbon dioxide. Now, students, you can see on your screen the diagram of respiratory system. Before we go into the working of respiratory system, let us first understand the definition of respiration. The process of taking in air, using the oxygen in it to make energy, and throwing out carbon dioxide, water vapor, and unused air is called respiration. Now let us see what are the different organs involved in the respiratory system. The different organs involved in the respiratory system are the nose, the windpipe, and the lungs. You can see these in the diagram. Air enters the nose through the nostrils when we inhale or breathe in. There is a sticky substance present inside the nose that is called mucus, and mucus acts like a filter. It helps to trap the dust and other harmful things. After that, the air goes to the windpipe from the nose. The windpipe, as you can see in the diagram, is divided into two branches, and these branches carry air from the windpipe into the lungs. From the windpipe, the air goes into the lungs. The lungs are like the spongy bags. They have tiny pockets which fill up with air when we breathe in. Blood picks up oxygen from the air in the lungs and carries it to all parts of the body. This oxygen combines with food in each of these parts to form energy, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. This is the same reaction that we studied in the first slide. Then the blood carries carbon dioxide and water vapor to the lungs. And when we exhale out, the spongy lungs get squeezed. This pushes out the carbon dioxide, water vapor, and leftover air from the lungs into the windpipe. And then the gases leave our body through the nose. So students, in this chapter, we have done two systems, that is the digestive system and the respiratory system. So now you have an idea how our body works. Thank you for your cooperation and patient listening. Stay home, stay safe.